Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is just a quick cook with me where I'm going to be making sweet potato fries. So first things first, you're going to need sweet potatoes. You're going to need a peeler. You're also going to need a knife, cutting board, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Alright, so the ingredients will be listed in my description box down below, but you definitely need 2 sweet potatoes peeled and sliced, as you can see that I am doing now. You also are going to need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and you're also going to need 1/4 teaspoon of both salt and pepper. So once you go ahead and get these peeled, it's best that you go ahead and cut them into slices. I did not realize how to cut them into slices, so I just tried my best to cut it up into really small, fine pieces. But you are going to need a medium bowl where once you can actually get these sliced, you will then toss it with the oil, salt, and pepper. Your air fryer is going to be needed to heat it up onto 390. So while you're probably like preparing some of these things and kind of getting almost done, I would go ahead and heat your air fryer to 390, and then definitely spray the basket with non-cooking spray, but only spray with non-cooking spray before you get ready to bake it. So yes, this is a air fryer recipe that clearly just takes no longer than 10 to 15 minutes to prepare, especially with the cooking, which is only 10 to 12 minutes. And then you just have to shake occasionally during cooking until they're lightly browned. So I'm going to go ahead and put my olive oil in, as well as my salt and pepper, into this bowl right here. And I'm just going to toss the sweet potatoes with the mixture that I'm adding in. And then I will lay them out in a pan in the air fryer so that they can cook. Now, this is my first time making these sweet potato fries, but they turned out really good, so I thought that I would share it with you all. I want to try more air fryer recipes, so I ended up getting a book from Barnes & Nobles that came with this recipe on the inside for just $10. It's a very small book. I will include a picture right here just to show you guys the book, and it comes with about more than 100 pages worth of great recipes that you guys can do in the air fryer. I definitely have made another recipe using fries, regular potato fries, in the air fryer that should be coming up soon as well, or if it's not already out. But anyways, you guys are just going to simply put it on 12 minutes. I went ahead and wanted to make the corn meatless patties along with these fries for dinner one night, so I baked both of them in the air fryer. Wanted to give them a try, and they were amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching.